In this video, I'm going to show you how to justify text in Microsoft Word.
But before I do, make sure to subscribe.
First, select all your text. You can do this by clicking and dragging or pressing Ctrl+A. Once you've selected your text, go to the top of the ribbon where it says Paragraph and select on these 4 equal lines. This is Justify. Select this once. If you want an additional and quicker way to justify your text, press Ctrl+A, then press Ctrl+J. This will justify all selected text. You can also justify text by selecting all your text, clicking on the downward arrow next to Paragraph, then instead of left, click on the downward arrow and then click Justified, then click OK. If this video helped you, then click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to format your text, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.